Stop. Did you know that in Croatian language, this verb can be said in different ways? And it changes depending on the context. Croatian is rich in vocabulary, so forget about English when you are learning it. There are three most common ways to say stop in Croatian. Prestati. For example, prestati pušiti, to stop smoking. It means to stop something that you have been doing for some time. It's also commonly used to make someone stop doing something. For example, prestani provocirati, stop provoking. So the imperative way of verb prestati is prestani, prestani. The next verb is stati, which means to stop or to come to a stop, to stand still. For example, moramo stati ovdje. We have to stop here. Moramo stati ovdje. The verb zaustaviti means to stop something or to cause something to stop. For example, molim vas, zaustavite autobus. Please stop the bus. And I just want to emphasize that these are not all the verbs that we have in Croatian which mean to stop. But that's a subject for some other video. Now, which verb would you use in the next phrase? Nemoj, space, učiti hrvatski. Meaning, don't stop learning Croatian. See you in the next video.